friends, thanks for joining me for 14 days of Valentine's Day cards. Well, I want to be sure to tell you that we do have some collaborators joining in, so please check them out. It's always fun to see what everybody's coming up with. I'll have a playlist, so I'll have everybody's videos on the playlist. And did I mention they're down in my description box? I hope so. So at any rate, what I thought we'd do today is start off with this side of that scrapbook paper that I've been working with. Here's the inside, which I think is so adorable, actually. But then I thought we'd go ahead and upcycle a Valentine Day card that I had received in the past. I think that's fun, and it's just great to upcycle. So I'm going to start with cutting this out. Now, I know that even when I cut this out, it's going to be too big for the card that I'm putting it on, but that's okay. We'll figure out what we need to do after we cut it out. How does that sound? Figure out how much more I need to cut away. And I can always cut these hearts off completely and then add them back in closer to the top of this cupcake. All right, let's try this on the card here and see. Oh, not bad at all. Wow, okay. So what I'd like to do, now that I can see what's going on, I want to grab these smaller scissors, and I'm going to go a little bit tighter around these hearts. How are you today? Today I'm doing pretty good. We worked hard outside today. We've been working on mostly the outside of the house because the weather is nice. I know for a lot of you it's really cold, but for us in Florida, it's actually really nice out. Like today was full sun. The high was 50, but of course it felt much warmer because the sun really warms you up. So yeah, we've been working outside, been working on the gardens, and we're prepping for paint, actually. So we're doing a little bit of cleanup for that purpose. All right, my friends, here we go. Let's try this now. It's so cute. Oops, this needs to be a little less sharp. Okay, there we go. All right, let's try this again. And there we go. So I really like it. I'm going to go ahead and get glue and adhere this down. I don't think I need to put anything in the background. I'm not going to worry about that. Oh, but you know what I could do? I could go ahead and ink the edges. Give that a little bit of pizzazz. It's not totally necessary, but I think it adds a nice little extra interest. There we go. That looks nice. A little punch of pink there. Alrighty, now let's go ahead and get our glue on here. Alrighty, let's go ahead and flip this over. Now I know that I'm going to have to trim the edges a little bit, and that's okay. I'm not worried about it, but I am going to wait until this dries because otherwise it's just going to go slipping and sliding around. So I'm pushing it down, getting the glue to adhere. There we go. And then I think let's go ahead and, while it's drying, we'll go ahead and add some stickles. I don't have red stickles. I'll have to add that to my list of, my wish list of crafty stuff. But I've got pink, and this card has pink on it, so I think we're good to go with that. And I think I'm going to start by going around this bottom part. So what have you been up to? Have you been going out much? Are you having to stay in because of weather? Let me know. Are you following along with this collaboration? You have to let me know that as well. And are you participating? That would be fun to know. And also I wanted to let you know, and I know I've said it in all the videos so far, but just in case you're new, if you're not a content creator but you would like to play along, you can do that. And then you can post your makes in my Facebook group. And if you are a content creator, you can follow along and just tag me as the host, and then I'll make sure your video goes on the playlist. Okay, I think that added a nice little, just a nice little touch, if you will. And I'm going to trim the edges real quick. I'm really tempted to leave them, but if I leave them, you can't open the card properly. Well, you can if you're holding it, but if you put it down and open it, you can't, because this will impede it from opening. So maybe I'll just go ahead, and I'm trying not to touch the stickles, and I want to try not to make the card slide. But I'm going to flip this over, see if I can cut this off. Not bad. Okay, friends, so I cut the one side, and it makes me wonder, do I leave the other side, or should I cut it just so everything's uniform? I guess I should cut it so that everything's uniform, but I really kind of do like it hanging over the edge. I think it'll be okay though. Okay, let's cut it. We're committing to cutting it. And here it is, my friends. I love that we upcycled an old card. I think it turned out super cute. It definitely was the fastest one that we have made so far. I hope you'll join me tomorrow for day 5. Can you believe it? I can't. I hope you'll join me and get some crafty inspiration, and I hope you'll play along. Please remember to check out all the collaborators and see what they're up to. Thanks for watching. See you soon.